Did you know that our eyes are more susceptible to oxidative stress than any other part of the body? Imagine if there was a way to protect and revitalize your eyes using the power of molecular hydrogen. Introducing the hydrogen goggles. We've made it easier than ever to apply molecular hydrogen gas directly to your eyes with our fully sealed hydrogen goggles. Designed to connect seamlessly to the PromoLife H2 inhalation and drinking system, these goggles revolutionize the way you care for your eyes. With a built-in hydrogen gas port, you can effortlessly connect the goggles to the system, ensuring a steady flow of molecular hydrogen gas. Our hydrogen goggles are designed with your comfort in mind. They're one size fits most and provide a snug yet comfortable fit. Thanks for watching. Check out our other YouTube videos for more information and be sure to follow us on social media. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell for future videos.